Here we can see 8th question. If 2 power x plus 1, if 2 power x plus 1 equals to 3 power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. That is question. Just finding x. To find x, here given 2 power x plus 1 equals to 3 power 1 minus x. That is given condition. By that condition we should solve value of x. So for that I am here taking given solution. Given what we take here, given 2 power x plus 1 equals to 3 power 1 minus x. So in the question only given that statement 2 power x plus 1 equals to 3 power 1 minus x. So that by using that statement, the condition we have to solve x equals to x value. X equals to we have to find. So for that applying for given condition we are applying log for both sides. Apply log both sides, to left side and right side. What happens, see, for 2 power x plus 1 log applied here, for 3 power 1 minus x also applied log. So both sides we applied log. What happens, see, this is in the form, see, left side log 2 power x plus 1, right, log 2 power x plus 1. This is in the form of log a power m. Log a power m. In the m place, what is there? X plus 1 there, and base is 2 there. So according to log a power m, expansion what? Log m into log a, right? Log a power m equals to m into log a. So m into log a, this so in the place of m, what the x plus 1 there. So x plus 1 here comes front, remaining what happened, x plus comes to front, so the remaining only to this log 2. Understood? That x plus 1 comes to front, remaining what is that, log 2, as it is I am writing. So next here also same, here 1 minus x there, so it is comes to front, here 1 minus x, then remaining what, log 3, as it is I am writing. So according to which formula, log a power m equals to m into log a. So next, see, next step, here x plus 1, this log 2 multiplying with x, right? Understood? This log 2 multiplying with this x plus 1. So each that log 2 multiply what, which is in the bracket, x plus 1. So each time multiplies here, x into this, x into log 2, first you can see x into log 2 plus as it is place. So 1 into, say here 1 there, so 1 into log 2, 1 log 2. Understood? That log 2 multiplying with x and 1 also. So x log 2 in plus log 2, 1 into log 2, log 2. The same way here also, in this also log 3 multiplying with 1 minus. So that log 3 multiplies with 1 and minus log 3 multiply with x. So 1 into log 3 minus there, minus, see here minus there, minus, so again minus x into x there, yes, see x there, x into log 3, so x log 3. Understood? So each with each term multiplying log 3. So this step came here. Okay, next, so x log 2, this log 3 shifting to right side, and this x log 3 shifting to left side. Log 2, this log 2 shifting to right side, and x log 3 minus x log 3 shifting to left side to LHS. So what happens, x terms, why we doing that, x terms one side and constants one side we transposing. So this x times minus x log 3 becomes here plus x log 3. This plus log 2 here transpose when transpose minus log 2 will come. So by transposing which this step will come. Just x terms left side, constants terms right side I am transposing. So x log 2 plus x log 3 equals to log 3 minus log 2. Okay, na? Next step, what happens next step? See in left side, see here x there, here x there. So in these two terms x is common. So I am taking x outside here, x common. So here x into log 2 plus log 3, right? X into x came outside, remaining what here x log 2, here log 3. So x common outside, so log 2 plus log 3 remaining I am writing. Now right side also see same as it is log 3 minus 2 log 2 as it is I am writing. So next step, so x as is common and see log 2 plus log 3 nana. Log 2 plus log 3, what is the expansion of log mn? Log m plus log n. So log m plus log n form there here, so we writing as log mn form. So log 2 into 3 I am writing. Understood? Log 2 plus log 3 what becomes log 2 into 3. So ultimately here is step what x into log 2 into 3. So here what log m minus log n formula. Log m minus log n. What is the log m minus log n? Equals to log m by n. By according to which formula? Log m minus log n equals to log m by n. So here came log 3 by 2. So what is step? Here total step x log 2 into 3 equals to log 3 by 2. Okay na? Wait a moment. So here see here up to here completed. So x log 2 into 3 equals to log 3 by 2 completed. So log 2 into 3 what? Log 6. So x into log 6. 2 into 3 what? Log 6. Here same as it is log 3 by 2. So what we have to find? X we have to find. In the question x2 have to find. So x right keep as to the x left side. This log x I am transposing to right side. What happens? Comes to denominator, right? So now writing that only x equals to log 3 by 2 by log x. This log x I am transposing to right side. What happens in denominator? So x equals ultimately x equals to log 3 by 2 by log x. This is the value for x by using what given condition here 2 power x plus 1. By using this we find x value. Okay, next we go to next question. What ninth question we'll see. Wait, so ninth question is just is given and first and second question given. Is first question, log 2 is rational or irrational? Log 2 is rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Log 2 is irrational or rational, we have to tell here. So let it take for that log 2 equals to x. Here log 2 equals to, for base 10 I am taking equals to x. So when writing this is in the form of logarithm form. And now we writing exponential, converting exponential. 10 power x equals to 2. Understood? This is already we learned in x first bit I think. So 10 power x equals to we can write from where? This logarithm form. log 2 base 10 equals to x. So in the next step, exponential form is 10 power x equals to 2. I think this is understood. Next, 10 power x equals to 2. 10 power x equals to 2. When will come 10 power x equals to? When giving value x, 10 power 1 equals to 10. When giving here x value, what will come? 10 power 1 equals to 10 will come. 10 power 2 equals to what? 10 power 3 equals 100 will come. 10 power 3 equals to 1000. So here increasing when giving values for x, that value become increasing. So now what we can say here, but 2 cannot be written as 10 power x. 2 cannot written as 10 power x for any value of x. When giving x values, when giving the power x there, so when giving for x numbers, so what will become? Greater than 2 will come. Always greater than 2 will come. So there tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s will come. But here equals to what we taken? 2. Let log 2 base 2 equals to base 10 equals to x. When written x, log 10 power x equals to 2. So for x value, giving 1, 2, 3 natural numbers, what happens? Greater than 2 will come. So that's why, but we can write the step 2 cannot be written as 10 power x for any value of x. Therefore, log 2 is not a rational number. That's why, therefore, log 2 is irrational. So, log 2 is irrational. So, here this statement 2 10 power x equals not equals to, yes or no? 10 power x is never equals to 2. That's why we can say log 2 is irrational. Understood? Log 2 not rational. Log 2 is irrational. Why? 10 power x is never equal to 2 when giving x value. So here, so we can write log 2 is irrational. So now we go to second question. Log 100 is rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Same like the previous question, there log 2, here log 100 given. Log 100 is rational or irrational? Ask me. Log 100 is rational or irrational? So first step we can write here. Let log 100 equals to x, right, for base 10. Log 100 equals to x. 100 we can write 10 square. So log 10 square equals to x for base 10. Log 10 square base 10 equals to x. So here according to formula, log a power m formula, 2 log 10 base 10 equals to x, right? See, log 10 square I am writing as 2 log 10 for base 10 x. This next step, log 10 base 10 equals to 1. Which formula we here use? Log a base a equals to 1. So log 10 base 10 also equals to 1. So 2 into 1 equals to x. Right side what is there? Same as it is. So 2 into 1, 2. So ultimately x equals to 2 equals to x is nothing but x equals to 2. So we can say here log 100 is a rational number. X equals to 2 came. So that's why log 100 equals to a rational number. So here see, here problem 9th, up to 9th only there in exercise 1.5. So we finished exercise 1.5. Just copy all the questions from first bit to last bit. By Sunday you have to show your what you copied in notes, exercise 1.5 by Sunday. So copy the total exercise 1.5 in a notes when I conduct it is help to practice when you write exam. So this up to exercise 1.5 you have to this exam which are we explained in the by YouTube what you listen that write in a notes copy everything. Thank you.